Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the micrometer reads 0 and wiping the anvils clean. Dirt skews thread readings. Next, choose the correct thread anvil or gauge matched to pitch and diameter so the tool seats properly. Hold the spindle with light, steady fingers and rotate the thimble until the micrometer contacts the thread. Don't force it. Once you feel a slight resistance, engage the ratchet or friction stop to apply consistent measuring pressure, because repeatability depends on that consistent stop action. Once contact is established, make sure the micrometer axis is perpendicular to the thread axis. Angular misalignment changes effective pitch diameter. Rotate the part and take measurements at 3 or 4 positions around the circumference to detect runout, then average them for higher accuracy. Use the ratchet each time to ensure identical clamping torque and read the sleeve and thimble carefully. If you need a pitch diameter, apply the appropriate formula or reference table to convert the measured over-anvil reading into the threaded dimension. To finish, back off the spindle, re-zero the micrometer, and confirm the measurement by repeating it. Consistency is the proof. Then compare your averaged value to the thread standard or a calibrated master to verify conformance. If readings drift or differ by more than tolerance, clean the anvils, inspect for wear, and ensure perpendicular alignment. Recalibrate or replace the micrometer if errors persist. One troubleshooting tip: persistent variability usually means contamination or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.